Look at your face for a second. Your eyes, your hands, the shape of your jaw, the way your thumb moves when you touch your phone. You probably think of this as human, not a version of human, not one branch of human, just human. But that is only because every other version is gone. For most of human history, being human did not mean being Homo sapiens. It meant belonging to a strange, messy family of upright apes who walked, hunted, made tools, built fires, buried their dead, and tried to survive. If you could step back 50,000 years, you would not find one human species spread across Earth. You would find several. Some were short, some were massive, some were built like cold weather machines. Some lived on islands. Some left almost no bones behind, only DNA. The strange thing is not that other human species existed. The strange thing is that they disappeared, all of them. Today, there are chimpanzees, bonobos, gorillas, orangutans, and us, but between them and us, there is an empty space, a gap. Evolution was not drawing a straight line toward you, it was throwing branches in every direction, and almost every branch broke. So why did this one survive? Why did Homo sapiens, a relatively weak animal with no claws, no fur armor, become the last human species? The easy answer is intelligence. We like that answer. It feels flattering. But the problem is that the evidence does not make it that simple. Neanderthals were not stupid. They had large brains. They made tools. They controlled fire. They cared for injured members of their groups. Homo erectus was even more impressive. They lasted for nearly 2 million years. Our species has been around for roughly 300,000 years. For a long time, we did not even know about Denisovans. They were discovered through fragments, a finger bone, a tooth, ghosts in the ground. The answer may not be a better brain. It may be a better network. Your life rests on the work of millions of strangers. One Neanderthal may have been just as clever as one Homo sapiens. But when knowledge spreads, when strangers cooperate, everything changes. A small group can know a valley. A network can know a continent. A network can preserve knowledge, improve it, and pass it on. Early Homo sapiens moved materials over long distances, shells far from the sea, objects that suggest exchange, travel, memory, and connection. Cooperation between strangers requires imagination. Humans can cooperate because we can believe in shared fictions, a tribe, a symbol, a story. You can take two humans who have never met and make them risk their lives for the same flag or trust the same paper money. The disappearance of other humans was likely a mixture of competition, climate stress, disease, and sometimes direct violence. If you have ancestry outside sub-Saharan Africa, part of your DNA likely comes from Neanderthals. The others continued inside us. We look in the mirror and mistake loneliness for normality. We think we are the default, but we are the remainder. Nature did not stop. The animals kept moving. The rivers kept running. The sky stayed full of stars, but human experiences vanished. Every time you cooperate with a stranger, you are using an ancient survival tool. We are the last humans because we connected.